Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says Penicillium reproduces by option A gemmules, option B conidia formation, option C binary fusion, option D budding. So let us understand the question. It says Penicillium reproduces by. So what do you understand by penicillium? Penicillium, it is a type of fungus. It is a type of fungus. Okay, and it is a eukaryotic organism. It is a eukaryotic organism. What do you mean by eukaryotic organism? These are the organisms which contain true nucleus. Okay, and penicillium does reproduce by the formation of spores. Okay, penicillium reproduces by formation of spores. Okay, and these are called as conidia. Conidia, or you can say conidiospores. So conidia are continuous chain of arrangement of the spores. So these actually they contain what? Conidiospores. Okay, so that is how they reproduce. So these spores will further germinate. They will germinate and will give rise to new individual. New individual. Okay, so that's how they reproduce. That is by the formation of the conidia. And conidia contains what? They contain the spores, and these spores will give rise to new individual. Okay, so let us look at the option. Option A says gemmules. So what are gemmules? Gemmules are nothing but, so let us talk about gemmules. So gemmules are found in case of sponges. Okay, they are found in case of sponges. Okay, these are cluster of cells which will give rise to new individuals. So this again, this is a means of asexual reproduction. Okay, so they reproduce by asexual method. Okay, so gemmules are involved in the formation of new individual by this asexual method in case of sponges. Hence, option A is ruled. Option B says conidia formation. So what is conidia formation? I have already described, which occurs in this particular case, that is in case of penicillium. Okay, so conidia formation, is it the right answer? Yes, it is. So conidia formation occurs in penicillium as I have already described. Okay, then so option B should be the right answer, but let us look at option C. Option C says binary fission. So what do you understand by binary fission? Binary fission. So what is fission? Fission is nothing but splitting into two. Splitting, okay, that is what is fission. When you say binary, bi means two. So when one cell gets divided into two cells or gets split, you can say split into two cells, that is called as splitting, or you can say binary splitting or binary fusion. This you can see in case of amoeba. Okay, so binary fission example is amoeba. But penicillium does not reproduce by splitting. Hence, option C is ruled out. Option D says budding. So, what do you understand by budding? Budding is a process where tiny outgrowths are formed, and these outgrowths are called as buds. Okay, and these have the capacity to be reformed into, or you can say transformed into a new individual. Okay, so this again is a type of asexual mode of reproduction. Even binary fission is asexual mode of reproduction, but budding doesn't occur in case of penicillium. But of course, there is a fungus that is called as yeast where budding occurs. Okay, but not in penicillium. So hence option D is also ruled out. So the right option, according to the question which says penicillium reproduces by. So the option is option B, that is conidia formation. So let us conclude the answer. So what is the final answer? The final answer is option B, that is conidia formation. Okay, so penicillium reproduces by conidia formation. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.